Now, I wouldn't ever call myself a fan of these fishing rods, but I wouldn't call me opposed to them either. This is one I've actually had for a good little bit. It used to be in quite a few of my videos. It's just as simple as you can get. The Wakeman light action telescopic rod. Now when I first got here, I had a little bit of a, what's it called, jerkbait on. And I was gonna try to use it for bass, but I kind of forgot about the anatomy of this lake and how once you get to June, it's virtually unusable. For baits. And I don't have any frogs or anything for top water, but what I do have is little Senkos, and I just put one on a Ned rig, and I'm gonna see how it works on top water. No weight or anything, just on it. So we'll see. I've never actually really used the Ned rig that much, so I guess we'll experiment together. I'm gonna move it up over here. Hopefully he's still there. Got him. Boom! Got him. That's a big fish, guys. I don't even know what this guy is. I'm assuming he's a bass. Should have brought my my net, but I guess I'm going in hand first. Ooh. Oh, damn. No, buddy, ain't you not. You ain't. Get out of here now. Oh man, this guy wasn't getting unhooked any day. Okay. Whoa. Whoa. That is a big guy. I knew there were some bass in here, but I didn't think they got this big. He's a fat largie. On the telescopic rod. That is a nice fish. All right, well, I don't have a measuring tape, but I do have this metal chain. So when I get home, I can measure how big the chain is, and we can see how big this guy is. I've had enough fun with this guy. We can get back in the water so we can catch him another day. Okay, fresh worm. Fresh worm, fresh scent. There he goes. There's a fish. Good thing I kept up with it. This one's definitely not as big as the other one, but it's a fish nonetheless. I think he may have come off. I don't know that. No, I got him. Another largie. Oh, and he didn't eat it this time. Perfect. Definitely not as big as the first one, but a nice fish nonetheless. That's nice. All right, see you, bud. Now we gotta go. Back with a regular setup. Oh, we just missed it. Oh, no, we didn't. I still have him. Am I recording? I am recording. Oh, whoa, this is a big guy too. I might need to let some drag out. Whoa, he came off, But I still got him. Yo! That's another big bass, guys. On the fluke. Got him. Got him. That might have came off. Nope. He's still on there. Whoa, there's a tiny one. For this pond, at least. Whoa, cool down, buddy. Well, no, go down the dam. Don't go down the dam. Oh my God. I just saved this guy. This dam gets blocked up here. My God, dude, good thing you didn't go down there. We would never have went back up. You'd have to go live in the teeniest little bit of Crumb Creek for the rest of your life. Got him. Oh, I definitely still have him on. He's tangled up in reeds, though. We could eat these things up pretty well. Beautiful, beautiful bass. Whoop.